Akada, the children's book festival.
Okay. Now, let's continue this story. Now, after calling the dad, within minutes, the ambulance showed up to pick up Mrs. Dada and Tutu. Tutu stayed by her mom's side, holding her arms. The ambulance arrived in less than 20 minutes. What did I say? So they have marked the first one. The second one. The first one is recognizing a stroke, which Tutu did. The second one, fast medical attention. So within 20 minutes, they called for help. Ambulance picked up the mother. Now, Tutu, and while Mrs. Dada was taken to the emergency ward, Mr. Dada thanked Tutu for her quick thinking and bravery. He held her tightly and promised to be her side. Tutu felt proud that she has helped her mom. As hours passed, mommy received timely medical attention. The doctor emphasized the importance of Tutu's quick action. Do you know what he said? He said, timely intervention is important. If daddy had called early, if daddy didn't call early, it could have been worse. Mommy could have died. If Tutu did not call the dad early, anything could have happened. Now, the family spent 3 days supporting the mom. Oh, mommy, she drew like pictures on her hospital bed and everything. Now, you know what can happen when somebody does not get timely medical attention? Does anybody know what will happen? Do you know? Come. Good. Thank you so much. Then let me ask you another question. Who knows how to spot a stroke? Okay, now we would say it with the song. So repeat after me. Do you know how to recognize a stroke? Do you know how to recognize a stroke? Fast is the word. Face means faces drooping. A means arms can be raised. S means speech is either slurry or can't talk at all. T means time to call for help. Do you know how to recognize a stroke? Okay, so repeat after me. Okay? Don't go ahead and sing the song by yourself. Just repeat after me. Do you know how to recognize a stroke? Fast is the word. F means face is drooping. A means arms can't be raised. S means speech is either slurry or can't talk at all. T means sorry. T means time to call for help. Do you know how to recognize a stroke? So we sing it together. Do you know how to recognize a stroke? Recognize a stroke. Recognize a stroke. Do you know how to recognize a stroke? Fast is the word. F means face is drooping. A means arms can be raised. S means speech is either can't or can't talk at all. T means time to call for help. Do you know how to recognize a stroke? Clap for yourself. Okay, so any other questions? Come forward. Come in. Come forward.
My question is, what if the arms are moving? What the symptoms like? How do you know a stroke is coming up?
It's called fast. If the person can't talk, if the person's face, one side of the face is dropping so badly, then if the person can't speak, can't raise its arms, you know that is a stroke. So that's why I'm teaching you the song to remember. Fast is the word. Face is drooping. A means arms can be raised. S means speech is either slurry or can't talk at all. C, time to call for help. There's nothing like first aid or something. Call for help.
So you saw there's only 4 hours and 30 minutes
Yes.
for you to get to serious medical help. Because every hour makes the stroke get worse. Like the arms are just still, they can't even move. All of their face are really.
Okay.
Because each hour makes it get worse.
Yes. So every minute it gets worse. Every minute you lose about 1.8 million of your cells to die. So every minute counts. Okay? So any other questions?
What if the person is still talking?
Okay, the person can still be talking. But if the person's face is not normal, if the person can't raise the arms, then it's time to call for help. So these are the symptoms. Okay, you can be talking, but you are having a stroke. The person's face is drooping, but the person can't talk. Do you understand? So when you see either of any of the symptoms, call for help. What do you do? Thank you. Okay.
So much, ma'am. Your delivery has been so instructive. I just want to ask this question probably on behalf of the children so that they can take the message home. Now, what is going to be the nutrition like for their parents in order not to be a victim of stroke? The nutrition, the food to eat.
Okay, so to avoid stroke, right? Number 1, eat healthy. Avoid soda, fast food. Eat healthy. Now, you have to eat healthy. Exercise. Exercise is very important. Even though it's just walking every evening, it's very important. And I advise you to walk with your parents too, because exercise is important for everybody. And if they have underlying illness like diabetes or hypertension, they should take their medicine always. So that's it. And hold on. Can I have a flyer? Yeah. And also, I have Healthy Heroes Club. Right? Is where you come and learn about health while having fun. Right? So this is just the beginning. I've given you a taste of the beginning. If you want to learn more, come to Healthy Heroes Club, right? Any other question? Does anyone have a question? Okay, that's fine. Remember.
How does I your account?
Okay, high blood pressure occurs when you are stressed, right? You don't rest. Sleep is very important. For you kids, I think 9 hours for kids, right? Then adults 6 to 8 hours, 9 to even 12 hours for kids, right? So you don't sleep, then you take a lot of junk. It can raise your blood pressure. So make sure you eat healthy. Make sure you move, exercise, sleep. Don't stress yourself. So any of them can cause high blood pressure. Right? That's all. Remember how to spot a stroke. Can somebody tell me how to spot a stroke? Okay, I'll pick one.
When person faces
Yes.
and when person cannot
Yes.
the person won't be able to talk.
Yes. And what's next? See, time.
Yes. They should call for help.
Good. So everyone knows, right? Okay. That's all. Thank you.